Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a twist on the traditional mojito. The traditional mojito is made with lime juice and rum and sparkling water and mint. Today we will be making a strawberry MoTITO. So instead of rum, we will be using Titos Vodka, and instead of the lime, we'll be using strawberry. So let's get started. I've got 3 strawberries in total. 2 have been diced up to be muddled. I've got 1 left over for garnish, and I have 4 mint leaves in total. Once again, 3 will be used for muddling and 1 for garnish. So I'm going to go ahead and add my strawberries to my serving glass. Along with the mint. I will muddle these just to release the flavors. And I can really start to smell that mint, so this will be a good one. Now I'm going to add 2 ounces of Titos Vodka. The awesome thing about Titos is that it's naturally gluten-free since it's distilled from corn. If you cannot tolerate corn, another great option is Ciroc, which is made from grapes. There's 1 ounce. Two ounces. Then I will do 1 ounce of simple syrup. And I'm just going to top off my glass with some sparkling water. Here I have San Pellegrino. You can use whatever you have on hand, whether it be Topo Chico, even a flavored LaCroix if you want to change up the sparkling water flavor. And I'm leaving a little room for ice, but first I want to give this a stir. Add a few cubes of ice to complete the glass. I did go ahead and cut a slit in my strawberry for my garnish. And finally, a clean mint for garnish. Let's see how it turned out. I love this drink. A perfect summer treat. So, cheers.